Hello children, so let's have your new topic, and that is project number 1 after 3 lessons, and the name of the project is Traditional Martial Arts of India. Okay children, so it is given at page number 40 in your course book. Yes, so let's talk about martial arts of India. So project 1, Traditional Martial Arts of India, you can find one picture here on this page, yeah, which is showing sword and shield in his hands. Yes, you read about some unusual sports. Yes children, lesson number 2 was unusual sports. Have you heard of martial arts? Yes, many of you might have heard. The word martial arts, martial means related to fighting or war. A martial art is a technique of fighting and self-defense. Okay, protecting yourselves, and fighting for yourselves, and that is known as martial art. Martial means fighting, and martial arts means self-defense skills. Self-defense fighting is known as martial arts. So let's move towards the next slide. Let's read something about martial arts. What is it, and how many types are there, and where is it popular? How did it become popular in India? Yes, some of the facts are given here. Martial arts have also been played as sports since ancient times. Okay, it has been played as sports. Okay, today several martial arts are played as competitive sports. Okay, some of them use weapons like swords and sticks, while others are played without any weapons. Like judo, karate and fencing are some examples of martial arts. Okay, they don't have anything in their hands. Yeah, they are played without any weapons. India is home to several traditional martial arts. These arts were beginning to die out as they were not practiced for a long time. So these martial arts have not been in practice since long. So however, they are being revived. Revived means again started. They have contributed to the development of some modern Asian martial arts too. Some examples of Indian martial arts are, here are some given, Kalaripayattu, Silambam, Gatka, Masti Yuddha and Thangla. Find out about any 4 Indian martial arts using the internet, books or other useful resources. Choose martial arts from different parts of the country, east, west, north and south. Make a colorful chart on a chart paper. If chart paper is not available at your home, don't worry, just take out A4 size paper and start sticking out the pictures. If you can't, so you can draw also and write some information. With the following information about each martial art, what information should be provided along with the pictures drawn or sticked? The name of the martial art as the heading, a brief history of the martial art including its place of origin, a brief description of the techniques used and skills required, weapons used if any. If it is without weapons, we can write its popularity and relevance today. How much popular that martial art is today? Yes, that you have to mention whether it is or not. And if yes, then what is the relevance? Where is it useful? Drawings or pictures illustrating the martial art moves. So children, I have brought some pictures for you, Kala Ripayattu, Silambam, Gatka, Masti Yuddha and Thangla. You can see here some of the martial arts types. So I can show you the pictures. Now you should have to search on the internet and find the relevant information whatever is given. You will have to show the picture one side, and another side you will have to describe it whatever the points are mentioned here. Okay, so let's talk about the first one. Not talking about, I'm just showing you the pictures. This is Kala Ripayattu. It looks like this. People are, both are having swords and shields in their hands. Swords are there, if you can see. So see, this is played with weapons. Yeah, next you have Silambam. It is played with sticks in hands. Yeah, you can see their moves, their jumps. Now you will have to write down, okay, with the help of internet. This is Musti Yuddha. Yeah, see, without any weapon in hands, and they're only moves of their hands, legs and complete body. Next you have Thangla. You can see that person is blindfolded. So this might be defending when we are unable to see what is there in front of us, who is there. Yeah, so attacking without seeing, blindly, with skills. And next is Gatka, which is the popular martial arts of Sikhs. Yeah, it is played on popular utsavs, festivals, I mean to say. So children, here I have shown you the pictures, and you can take any of the pictures. If you can take the prints, then well and good. Otherwise you can draw some of the pictures and describe it and post it on the WhatsApp group, personal WhatsApp group. I'll definitely check it out. So children, here we have discussed about your project 1. I hope that you would come up with the completion of it with complete understanding as well. Okay, so here I would like to finish this. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new topic. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.